அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Are you planning to buy a bike under 3 lakh rupees budget? Well, we know that budget is one of the most crucial things while buying a bike. And with so many options available out there, it really gets difficult to find a good bike which suits your pocket. In this video, watch the complete list of bikes with information regarding price, specifications and much more. If you are new to our channel, I am Gautam, aka Mr. Tirupur. To watch the latest news and informations about the bikes, subscribe to our channel now and press the bell button for the up-to-date notifications. Let's get into the video. Number 5. Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. The Interceptor is one of the two models based on the 650cc twin-cylinder platform from Royal Enfield. It has the wider appeal with its retro looks and comfort and the capability to carry pillion rider as well. The Interceptor has a BS6 compliant fuel-injected 648cc parallel twin oil-cooled motor that generates 46.8 bhp power and 52 Nm of torque. It feeds the rear wheel with a 6-speed gearbox and chain drive. The chassis, brakes and suspension are all modern feeling with all the charm that their retro looks offer. The brakes are single discs at the both ends with the 320mm disc at the front and a 240mm disc at the rear. ABS is standard. The suspension has conventional forks at the front and twin gas charge shock absorbers at the rear with preload adjustment. The tires are technically tubeless but require a tube inside as the spoked 18-inch rims are not airtight. Instrumentation is also retro with a twin pod cluster housing an analog speedometer and tachometer with a small digital pod offering information about the fuel level, odometer and 2 trip meters. In a similar vein, the lighting also offers no LEDs at all and no DRLS. A simple round headlamp does the job. The Interceptor is available in 6 different color schemes, 4 of which are single colors, black, grey, silver and orange, and 2 twin-tone paint schemes, red black and red silver. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 competes on price with the KTM 390 Duke, although in specs, it is a lot closer to the Kawasaki Z650. Number 4. TVS Apache RR 310. The 2020 TVS Apache RR 310 sports a host of electronic and mechanical changes that set it apart from the previous model. To begin with, the new Apache RR 310 now gets a ride-by-wire throttle with 4 riding modes including Sport, Track, Urban and Rain for varying riding conditions. For Sport and Track mode, the 312.2cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled motor unleashes all the power it packs, 33.5 bhp at 9700 rpm and 27.3 Nm at 7700 rpm. As for Urban and Rain mode, it restricts the power delivery to 24.5 bhp at 7600 rpm and 25 Nm at 6700 rpm. Additionally, the response of ABS is also tweaked according to the selecting riding mode. It comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox with slipper clutch. TVS has also introduced its new glide-through technology for smooth, low-speed riding in traffic. Another major update comes in the form of a 5-inch full-color TFT instrument cluster in place of the previous LCD display. This unit features TVS Smart Connect technology which allows the rider to connect their smartphone with the display for receiving call and message notifications while accessing navigation. The console also shows varying information depending on the selected riding mode and gets a different layout for each mode. For shifting through various menus on the display, TVS has also updated the switch gear of the motorcycle. In terms of styling, the overall design of the RR 310 remains unchanged. However, it gets a new dual-tone color scheme which is a combination of gloss black and matte grey. Underpinned by a split trellis frame, it is suspended by upside-down forks up front and a monoshock at the rear. Meanwhile, braking is handled by disc brakes at both ends, assisted by dual-channel ABS. As for competition, the motorcycle goes up against the Kawasaki Ninja 300 and the new BS6 KTM RC 390. Number 3. KTM 390 Duke. The 2020 KTM 390 Duke continues with the same aggressive Street Fighter styling inspired by the bigger 1290 Super Duke. However, as part of the update, the motorcycle gets new graphics and 2 new paint schemes. It is available in silver metallic and ceramic white color options that comes with orange wheels and trellis frame. Nevertheless, the major upgrade comes in the form of the KTM Quick Shifter Plus, which is offered as standard equipment. The Quick Shifter Plus is a bi-directional unit that enables clutchless upshifts as well as downshifts. The 390 Duke comes powered by a BS6 compliant version of the 373cc single-cylinder unit. KTM has retained the power figures and the Duke continues to produce 42.9 bhp of power and 37 Nm of torque. Apart from these changes, the Street Fighter remains unchanged. It sports a color TFT screen that can be connected to the rider smartphone via Bluetooth. Moreover, the 390 Duke also has riding modes and ride-by-wire as part of its electronic kitty. In terms of cycle part, the bike rides on inverter forks up front and a monoshock at the rear. Meanwhile, braking is done by disc brake at the both ends along with ABS. As for competition, the KTM 390 goes up against the BMW G310R and Honda CB300R in the country. Number 1. KTM RC 390. The KTM RC 390 BS6 gets a cosmetic update as part of the 2020 update. While it retains the aggressive design and bodywork of the previous model, which incorporates the distinctive LED projected headlamp up front, the RC 390 is now adorned in a new color scheme. The fully faired motorcycle now gets black wheels and a new white and black color scheme with a contrasting orange trellis frame. While the Street Fighter 390 Duke is updated with a bi-directional quick shifter, the new RC 390 misses out on that feature. Besides prepping it up for the BS6 norms, KTM has retained the power output from the 373cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. It continues to put out 43 bhp of power and 37 Nm of torque. Suspension and braking hardware also remain the same as the previous model. In terms of competition, the KTM RC 390 goes up against the TVS Apache RR 310, Yamaha R3 and Kawasaki Ninja 400. That is all for today's episode, friends. I hope the video was informational. Don't forget to like and share with your friends, and for more improvements, please leave your feedbacks on the comment section below. But before that, press that subscribe button to show your love and support. Let's meet on another video. Until then, signing off, Mr. Tirupur. Peace out.